Okay, you have not signed up for the designer course yet. I get it, maybe you're not ready for it, but you can actually do the starter kit. Yeah, we have the free Passivhaus Designer Starter Kit that gives you access to 5 different courses. Okay, one is a quiz. There you're already getting CBD points for, so you get as well your CBD certificate at the end of 3 of them. So that means you're definitely getting value out of it, at least from the CBD points, and as well you're learning a lot about it. So what you get is the following. Let me share that with you. You're getting access to what is Passivhaus design? That would be your first one. That's, I think, if I remember right, an hour. Then you may want to go to the benefits of living in a passive house. So that's the view of the passive house of the occupant, so that you can actually communicate it to your clients what the benefits are for them. That's another hour. And then the benefits of passive house design. That's then explaining how passive house is taking the guesswork out of your design, and you know how it will be performing. So then we have done this 3. All of them are CBD courses. Then here you get a glimpse inside. So you see actually how the designer course is working and what we teach people, and you see a bit the slides and everything. So that's our glimpse inside. Then you get the readiness quiz, and that one is checking if you're ready for the designer course. Don't worry if you're not passing the exam in there. We have the 101 course that gets you ready, and if you then do that quiz again, it will be a piece of cake. So no problem there. So yes, this is now there, totally free for you. Sign up for this and start learning. Maybe you then come to the point and say, hey, this stuff is so good. This is really what I want, because it gives me certainty in what I do in my design work and in my clients. And I want to do that because I do something good for the environment, something good for myself, something good for the client. So jump into it. And go for the certification if you see that. Otherwise, at least you know it's not for you. So take the step and enroll into the starter kit. Talk to you then.